Hey guys, it's Jackie and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I beautify these ugly broken nails using this polygel kit. Thank you Rosalind for sending this over. They are also available on Amazon, so they could be yours with the 2 days prime shipping. I'm using the polygel in soft pink, and as well as the brush that they gave us. It comes with a base coat as well as top coat and some slip solution. And for application, they did give me some clamps to clamp down the nail form. So I just mapped out my sizes. For the pinky, I'm going in with a size 11, and then for the ring finger as well as pointer, I'm going in with a size 9. My middle finger is a size 8, and my thumb is a size 7. So I just went in with the base coat and now I'm going to cure it for about 60 seconds. For the thumb, I'm going in with a size 7 form. And then I'm going to use their spatula. Looks like this. Okay, then I'm just going to scoop a little bit. Usually I just guesstimate. I never really know how much. But it's usually better to start small and then build. So I'm going to place it at the very edge of the form, near the cuticle area. Then we're going in with the other end, which is a brush. And I'm going to dip it into the slip solution. This is gonna help us move the polygel around. I usually like to make the cuticle area super thin, and then we just kind of push out the rest of the product. Slip solution is actually really good. It's making it so easy to like move around, which is something that a lot of people find it hard to work with because polygel is super sticky. So a really nice solution is really important. So here is the polygel. I did a super thin layer, but here comes the hard part. You gotta squish down at the cuticle and then push out. Okay, now we're gonna go under the nail to kind of fix anything, make it all nice and smooth. And then now we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. It's finally done curing, and now is the fun part. We're just gonna pinch the top and kind of wiggle the form off the nail. Obviously it's gonna need some filing down, and I'm gonna patch up some little mishaps right here, but besides that, it's pretty sturdy, like pretty sturdy. So I just went over the side right here with a little bit more polygel, and now I'm going to cure it again for 60 seconds. So the pinky is honestly by far the worst one because application wise it's kind of hard. You do need like 3 hands to say, because you need somebody to push down on your nail and then somebody to clamp it on. I have an army of 1, so obviously that didn't turn out too well, but I'm gonna shape and buff these out and then I'll come back to you guys. So I use their top coat and it makes my nails look super glossy. Oh my gosh, I am in love, and it makes it look so clean and natural overall. It did come with 2 glitters in the kit. I didn't put it on my nails, but I did swatch one for you guys. Here's the red one. It's kind of like super flaky, but when you press it against the nail, it does flatten out and it gives you like this really nice glittery effect. I did do 1 coat of a milky white base just so the red would really pop on top. Here is the blue glitter. I honestly really love the blue, but it did come off a little bit more chunky compared to the red one. I did do 1 coat of a milky white base before putting on the glitters. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. Everything will be linked down below, and I'll see you in the next one.